How to make your Instagram, Twitter, TikTok and other social media accounts private. I've been using social media apps for well over a decade. And over that period, there have certainly been things that I've posted that I'm glad the whole world wasn't able to see. In fact, some accounts, like Instagram and TikTok, I permanently leave in private mode, so that only select people can see what I post. If you're interested in learning how to take your accounts private and protect your posts from the world's eyes, read on. Dear friend, tap on photo tagging and adjust the settings to only people you can follow can tag you or off as you are comfortable. Just remember that if you are using a hashtag in private mode, your posts will not be visible in the public feed. Only your friends and followers will be able to see your post on the hashtag page or feed. Still, our favorite social app, Instagram, allows you to share images, videos, and stories with your followers. I've always had my Insta private and enjoy it as much as anyone else. Twitter is the best place to follow breaking news and trends. Best of all, you can still follow all the hashtags even if you're in private mode. More than any other network, TikTok is the one I want to keep private. You'd thank me if you knew. You don't have to be a viral superstar to enjoy this app. Every week, the Android Central podcast brings you the latest tech news, analysis and hot takes, with familiar co-hosts and special guests. Following Apple removing Fortnite from its App Store, and the subsequent announcement of an Epic Games lawsuit against the company, Google seems to have done the same. There's a lot to look forward to with Android 11. But when will your phone actually get it? Here's everything we know. The Google Assistant is the most useful smart voice assistant for getting your questions answered and keeping track of your digital life. But it's also great at helping you control your smart home devices and services. No spam. We promise. You can unsubscribe at any time and we'll never share your details without your permission. Jeremy is proud to help keep Austin weird and loves hiking in the hill country of Central Texas with a breakfast taco in each hand. When he's not writing about smart home gadgets and wearables, he's defending his relationship with his smart voice assistants to his family. You can follow him on Twitter at @Jeremiahute. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.